Hey Spy Ninjas, Foom's just quit Project Zargo. That means the gaming division is eliminated! Yeah!
Regina, they're still gonna delete your channel in 3 days, so we got 3 days to get your channel verified, so we need to make an awesome gaming video today.
Yeah. Oh, maybe it's Melvin. We haven't seen him in a while.
Hello? Who's this?
That's not Melvin.
Hey! Wait, Jobster?
Yeah, it's me, I'm here.
Wow, you're wearing something different.
What? Where are you going?
Hey! Well, come on in. Happy Thanksgiving, man.
Bro.
I invited the Devster because he quit Project Zorgo.
Today we're making an awesome gaming video for Regina's channel. You can help us.
Yes, I can. And I can help this noob right here.
Gosh, I know when I need improvements.
All right, I'll help you fist bump.
We're playing Mario Party.
You know what? I'm gonna sit this one out. I'll cook our Thanksgiving dinner. You know? Yeah. Got him.
Got him!
I'm gonna be Shy Guy.
Timo.
Waluigi. What we playing first, Regina?
Time to shine. Okay,
You gotta copy Luigi.
Show me your dance moves.
The Boo Guy's a computer player.
Music.
I did so bad!
You're horrible at this game, Dan.
I got last place if you don't count the controller that wasn't doing anything. Boo!
I got first.
Yeah, there you go. That's how you get your gaming rep up. That's how you get your gaming rep up. That's how you get your gaming rep up.
Well, maybe if somebody would dance with me once in a while, that'd be good.
We're dancing with you.
Dexter!
Okay.
All right, V, I am helping you today. Where are you, V? V,
Right here.
V, oh, you're down there? What are we cooking for Thanksgiving?
Obviously a turkey.
Oh, V, the turkey's frozen. I think you gotta thaw the turkey for like a day before Thanksgiving.
Really? I don't know. Why don't we just like put it in the oven or something?
Okay, I guess we can try. All right, what's next?
I got some cheese. It's gonna be the body of the turkey. Little eyes. I'm gonna take some of these chocolate chip cookies.
That's gonna be turkey eyes?
I made him a little smiley face.
Wow, he's so happy. You know, this will not be a complete Thanksgiving without one of our best buds here, Melvin.
Oh, yeah, where has he been? How come we haven't heard from him?
We need to call him though. I'm gonna put him on speakerphone. Come on, man, answer the phone.
Hello, this is Melvin PZ9. Leave a message after the beep.
He didn't answer?
Beep!
Melvin, it's Thanksgiving.
We miss you, dude.
Get over to the safe house.
We got hot Cheetos.
Cheeto. Okay, goodbye. You better come over later.
Wow, B, this is getting to be one of the most beautiful turkeys I've ever seen. The little leggies here and all the feathers.
Let's go see how the gaming's doing and you can show me your turkey.
Yeah.
To get my channel verified, you said you'd spill some beans on Project Zorgo. Spill the tea.
Here's a big, fat, juicy, sacred light at the top of the pyramid. Has different colors that mean different things.
What? I thought that beam was always just white.
Me too.
White means all systems go. That's all that I know, bros, about the light, because it's never changed colors before.
Maybe it turns red when they're realizing they're about to get defeated. Or maybe it turns green for Thanksgiving. Because that's the color of Thanksgiving. I love Daniel. All right, next game.
I want to play too.
What's up, Jester? Play some kids. Let's play some.
Me and Daniel make something.
Oh, I know what B could play. Roblox.
We are playing the Roblox obstacle course. I'm playing as Regina. Who you playing as?
As Veronica Qwaint.
Hey, come on, V.
It's a super skinny
catwalk.
The catwalk is super skinny.
Go to the left.
It's a super skinny
Catwalk. Oh,
my
V,
God.
did you fall?
No.
Stutter step.
How do I back it up? Back up.
Ah, you screamed in my ear so loud.
Oh, jeez. OMG.
Oh, your toes are hanging off the ledge.
Welcome to Daniel Gizmo's cooking show. Happy Thanksgiving to all, if you celebrate it. If you don't, happy November 26th. Today we'll be making a Thanksgiving footlong.
Wait, don't put your foot on the
my platter. You can't spell footlong without... You can't make a footlong without...
bread! Oh my gosh, Daniel. Oh my gosh, Daniel!
This is looking pretty good. Now we need to put... Excuse me?
Oh! Why was that so loud?
Excuse me?
No, Daniel! Daniel, stop it!
We need to put a little place.
Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! No, stop! Daniel, we need it for the footlong!
Jumping forward!
Chad, bro!
Dexter,
Bro,
I can't hear.
my
I
left
can't
ear.
hear you, man.
What?
I can't hear you, man.
Chad, what?
Turn around.
Getting weird with the camera.
Whoa, what are you doing with that camera there? Gonna get yourself dizzy with that camera motion like that. Oh gosh, which way to go? Oh my gosh. Your stomach hurt me? Oh gosh, I looked away for 1 second and you're dead.
Wait, I'm gonna help you focus. I got an idea. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna go give you some focus. Come on, V. Oh, you're getting sweaty? Only if you complete. Hey, only if you complete the discs, though.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh! Hot Cheetos! Hot Cheetos! Hot Cheetos! I do go. Oh, and forward jump! Oh,
Yes.
oh my gosh!
Whoa.
Oh my gosh!
One more.
Forward jump! Oh my gosh! Chad, Chad,
You got
Chad.
this. Don't mess up here.
Oh my gosh!
You've
Chad.
made it so far.
Oh my gosh! Yes!
Daniel, you're using your entire arm.
Yeah, that's right. Look at that. First, we have to season the bread.
Oh. Ooh, cheese bay.
Bay? And then some turkey. Lay it right in the crevice. Really gonna get the flavor nice.
So gross.
You ever hear of sweet bread?
Okay.
We are going to be making a chocolate sauce. Into the microwave. Look at that stuff bubbling. Why? You smell that?
Dude, it's like burning. It's burning. It's smoking.
It's smoking. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Daniel.
Okay, we gotta be fast now.
You burnt.
We gotta be fast. It didn't melt as much as I wanted it to.
You literally just burnt the Twix and the M&Ms are still solid. Guys, comment down below. Would you eat Daniel's Thanksgiving footlongs?
Wait, Chad, I don't know if I can do this.
Ooga chaka.
No, I'm just. Can I just stay in the air? Where?
can do it, V. Ah, so funny.
Oh,
Oh, that's tough.
what?
You didn't hit the jump button, V. It's a pretty simple concept.
Oh god.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Yeah. No.
Hey, I made it through. Got lucky.
Chad, I think something's wrong with V.
I think she's losing her mental state. Yeah? Oh, that's tough.
Chad.
The big old gap I gotta jump somehow.
That's a leap of faith, Chad.
Oh, yeah?
Back in the land of no hot Cheetos, V lives.
You're still there, V?
I'm still there, Chad.
Boom. 2, 3.
Oh no! How did that happen?
And to top it all off, albumin.
Wait, Melvin, he needs to join us for Thanksgiving.
Guess, but if he's gonna keep being butter thumbed.
What are you doing?
Bro, something smells awesome out here.
Yeah, man, see?
What is it?
It's my Thanksgiving footlong.
This looks like a Thanksgiving loaf of variety. What is this? Oh, bro, you got egg in the turkey.
Ew.
There you go. Some nice crunch. Here,
Come on here.
Dexter, come on.
No.
Eat it.
No, bro, that's disgusting.
Hey!
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Come on, try it. Try it.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
My footlong! Dude!
I'm sorry, bro. Oh my god!
What the heck?
I'm sorry, bro.
Let's face it, that would have tasted like dog poop. Yeah. I can't believe this happened to me in front of all the spy ninjas. Thank goodness we have an editor who cuts things out like this.
Oh gosh, what are you guys doing out here?
What happened?
haven't.
I'm gonna leave this monstrosity. I wanna keep making my gaming videos.
Okay, Chad, clean this up. Let's go.
Time for more Mario Party!
Oink, oink.
Girls, please leave us alone.
I know what to cook. Come on,
Really?
help me out.
Okay, okay. I'm kind of down with this.
This game is called Smash and Crab.
Oh, crab, 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 crab.
Hey,
All right, so I'm gonna be Shy Guy, and I gotta avoid getting smashed.
by Team Devster and Danny.
The double D's.
Double D. Check this out, bros. LaCroix for the boys.
boys! Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo! Here, here. 30 seconds, go!
Good luck, boys.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna smash me. Oh!
I'm gonna go left, Devster.
I'm too fast.
Oh,
to
shoot.
get
Get him,
smashed.
go, get him, boy!
To smash. Hey, oh, look at me. Come get me. Oh, you got me.
Yeah.
Nice job, man.
What?
No! I got it.
You know what, though? It was 2 against 1.
That's the nature of the game, bro.
Nature.
Yeah, it's a crab game.
It's a crab shoot.
Hey, language.
What?
Okay, Regina, what we're making?
A pumpkin pie.
Ooh.
But I'm gonna make it Among Us themed. Ooh. Cut it like so. You know, Daniel was really bad at cooking.
Yeah, he's kind of gross. I don't know what you see in him. I mean, no.
I don't. What do you see?
I'm nothing. It was
obvious?
not
Is it No,
yeah.
just cut this out.
Me.
It's got the body of an Among Us.
Oh yes! Look at that.
Oh.
I think I got my hair
Ew.
on it. I got my hair.
Ew.
Okay, maybe. No, I think it's Chad.
Definitely Chad. Yeah, that's
Look
Chad
how long
hair.
it is.
Oh. Hey.
Sprinkles. Oh, pink.
The only color you wear is pink.
Yeah, I like it. It speaks to me. Maybe when I get to 10 million subscribers, do you think I can get my own color? Like you?
Weapons of choice color?
Yeah! You have one, Daniel has one, Chad has
one. We got red, yellow, blue. All we're missing is pink.
Spy Ninjas, I need to get to 10 million subscribers! So make sure, take your phone, turn it this way. Underneath this video, your subscribe button is red. Make sure to make it gray so I can get my pink shirt!
Get her to 10 million. We got our Among Us pumpkin pie. Spy Ninjas, make this at home. And tag us in the photos if you make one.
Yeah, on Instagram.
Yes.
Cheers! Here. Oh, shoot.
We gotta have a little bro talk here. Daniel needs a girlfriend.
Chad, that's not true.
What?
I agree, Chad.
I'm happy being single. I mean,
Yeah, bro, even I have a girlfriend.
What?
do?
Who is it? Who is it?
I can't tell you, it's a secret.
Do you guys?
It sounds like
kiss?
it's.
Well, technically I haven't met her yet, but she is pretty cool.
Oh, it's an online relationship.
Do it!
Hey! Whoa, watch out. What's going on here?
Hey.
We finished.
We weren't talking about nothing.
No, it was nothing.
Yeah, basketball.
Basketball.
Well, I got one more dish I want to make for Thanksgiving dinner. I need a little assistance though. Danny boy,
Yes.
you want to help me cook a meal?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Let me teach you a thing or two about cooking.
Why'd you put my mashed potatoes in the freezer, Regina? It's a big block of ice now.
I thought these were frozen mashed potatoes.
Look, what's it say right there, Regina? Let me test something.
What?
Oh yeah, it's about the same.
You guys can just microwave it and it'll melt, okay?
It's like a mashed potato chip.
No!
That's so gross. Okay, Daniel, we gotta fix what Regina screwed up here. Microwave it up.
This is really frozen, so I'm thinking like what, like 3 hours? 15 minutes? Okay.
Probably. Good job, 5 hours, perfect.
5 hours. And then we need taco shells.
We're making some taco potatoes. Mashed tacos, I like to call them. All I gotta do is... Oh, shoot! Oh!
Chad! Are you kidding me?
There's not a single taco shell that's not broke. That was a real thing. Butterball turkey's gotta have a bunch of butter.
Daniel Gizmo and Chad Wildclay would like to present to you the newest craze for Thanksgiving. It is the Butterball Turkey Taco! What? Why are you guys laughing?
I thought that was mashed potatoes at first, but
Oh, it's a block of butter.
There's turkey.
There's cheese.
Tacos.
Icing, you know.
I don't want to clog my arteries today.
It's like a butter block turkey taco.
You know what, Chad? That sucks.
Let me show you what I made.
You?
An Among Us pie to enjoy as our dessert.
Oh, that's tight. Open up.
3. Oh,
You can look. You can look. Look.
Open your eyes.
Look.
I heard a countdown.
Wow.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa! Dude, I see the feathers. I see the little gobbler.
Wow. Okay, your turn.
I'm gonna pass.
I'll help you.
Ow!
Tickles.
Okay, V.
Gobble.
Oh no.
Okay, dumpster. Wow.
Bro.
Too bad the girls can't gobble.
Wait, there's more, guys. There's the turkey.
Oh yes, the turkey's in the oven. Open that up.
Look at it.
What happened?
Oh no.
He's naked.
Turkey's not cooked.
Naked.
It's
Why
naked.
is the turkey naked?
Put a blur there.
Oh, Chad, we forgot to turn on the oven.
Yeah.
Wait, I didn't unveil my thing yet.
Unveil.
Oh, wait a minute.
What? Oh,
Never mind, I forgot.
Thank you guys for helping hopefully get my channel get verified by playing gaming videos.
This video's not over yet, Regina. We gotta sing our traditional Thanksgiving tune.
What? We have a tune?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. It's turkey time in the safe house because turkeys taste great. Even when the taco turkeys got butter and gravy. See?
I have to say, bros, that this year has been the best Thanksgiving I have ever had in my entire life.
Oh my god.
I was in Project Zorgo and they suck, and now you guys helped me get out of Project Zorgo, and we got to play video games all day. So I'm really thankful for the Spy Ninjas for.
Hey, that was great.
That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Now let's all.
Whoa, what's that? Dude, my phone got a notification.
So did mine.
Oh, me too.
That's loud, bro.
Wow.
Amber alert!
Amber alert.
Missing person!
Melvin
Gennaro!
What?
What? He's missing?
I know that guy.
Yeah, that's my brother.
The police are looking for him, or who?
We gotta go find